All right, today we are going to be doing a super quick preview of the Valentine release of Simply Gilded. I didn't get all of the washi tape in the Valentine's release. I just got a handful of the ones that I really liked, and they came with a couple of extra freebies, so we'll just go through those first. We have a cute little bow seal. Looks like it's from their tie-dye collection. I didn't get this collection, but I did think it was very cute, so I'm super stoked to have just one. Here we have Jasper in the Valentine image holding a heart. It matches this cute little card that we got as well. And since we are showing Jasper, we might as well jump right into the Jasper washi tape that I purchased. I just think it's really cute. I love that he's got the little heart and it's got a little bit of metallic. I'm planning on using these for my Valentine's Day bullet journal spread, which will be out in a couple of days. But let's go ahead and demo this on our black Archer and Olive notebook. I've just used a page that was spare in one of my old notebooks. I'm putting it on the black paper because I think it'll really pop, but I'm sure it looks great on white or craft. Or if you saw the new Simply Gilded Archer and Olive collab, they actually have a pink bullet journal. I love that journal. I really wanted to buy it, but unfortunately it's just not the right size for me. The A5 is a little bit too small. Here's another one of their Valentine's Day release. It's a pink washi tape with gold accents. I'm really struggling with it off cam. I thought I'd got all the plastic off. I guess I didn't. But here it is. You can see it's got cute sort of paisley hearts, roses, and their signature bow. We'll just go ahead and demo that on the black paper. Uh-oh. Looks like I messed that up there. 1 second. All right, here we go. And you can really see that gold embossing embellishment under the light that I'm using. It looks really pretty and I'm excited to use it. Now for our next one, this is the one I was super excited. I have not seen a scalloped sort of lace release from Simply Gilded. I've only been using their products for about a year, so maybe they had one earlier, but this I was so excited about. I love the little cutout peekaboos. I'm so stoked to put it on this dark paper. I think it looks just awesome, but it probably looks really good on white as well, but the black paper really makes those cutouts pop. And then we have this cute little white lace with gold details, just a nice simple neutral border that I feel like you can use on pretty much any journal spread, so I'm happy to have a neutral one. I'll probably use this one quite a bit, and it goes really well with the Jasper washi as well. All right, and the last three were their, I guess you would call them flakes rather than washi tape. It's just like a roll of peel off little heart flakes. They have one in rainbow plain, rainbow with the signature gold bow. And then they have the pink ones also with the signature gold bow. So it's 3 variations of basically the same shape and colors. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel one off the rainbow with the gold bow. And the paper is pretty thick, so you can see even though I'm putting it on the black journal, it really keeps its color well. Sometimes the washi tape are a little bit see-through, so they don't show as well on the black journal. I don't know if you can see, but that sticker I have in the corner, it's partially see-through because it's just not a thick paper. But these seem to be fairly thick. I'll just unroll it like that so you can get an idea of how densely packed they are. And then the last one is this beautiful plain one. You can see it does have holographic elements in it, so it's actually pretty flashy. And we'll just stick that right there. And that's it. Those are the washi tapes that I got from the Valentine's release. I hope that you like them as much as I do. If you also got some washi tape from this release, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to see what the other ones look like in your videos. Thanks so much and have a great day.